So if you've ever tried to make a video for your business or your YouTube channel and you thought, this looks kind of amateur, you're not alone. The gap between what we see in our heads and then what actually ends up on the timeline is real. And for the longest time, I thought closing that gap meant either hiring a production team or spending hours filming custom B-roll that I'd only use once. But here's the thing, the creators that you admire, the ones whose videos just feel more polished, more cinematic, more professional, a huge number of them aren't filming every single clip that you see. They're using stock media, and today I want to show you exactly how I use it in my own workflow to take videos from fine to genuinely impressive, and I want to do it by building out a real project together, start to finish, using a product called Storyblocks. Just a heads up, I want to thank Storyblocks for sponsoring this video, but please know that I only partner with and promote brands and products that I'd actually use for my business. So on that note, let's get started. Okay, let me set the stage. Whether you're a blogger creating video content for your site, a business owner making marketing videos, or a YouTuber trying to level up your production quality, you've probably run into the same wall that I have. You sit down to edit and you realize you need a shot of, say, someone typing on a laptop, or a city skyline at sunset, or a drone shot of a coastline, and you don't have it. You've never filmed it before. So now you're either cutting that section entirely, which weakens your story, or you're scrambling to find something that works. And if you've ever tried to piece together stock footage from free sites, you know the pain. The quality is inconsistent, the styles don't match, half the clips have weird color grades, and you end up spending more time searching than you do editing. And that's the workflow that I dealt with for way too long, and that's what I eventually fixed with Storyblocks. So Storyblocks is what I'd call an all-in-one creative toolkit. It's not just a stock footage site, it brings together video footage, music, sound effects, templates, and even AI-powered tools all in one place. And the thing that really matters to me is that the entire library is human-made. Real filmmakers and artists from around the world are contributing this content. It's not AI-generated synthetic video, it's real, professionally produced footage. That distinction matters more than people realize, especially right now when so much content online is starting to look and feel artificial. When I drop a Storyblocks clip in my timeline, it matches the quality and feel of something that I'd shoot myself. That's a big deal. And let me actually show you how I use this, because I think seeing the workflow is way more valuable than just hearing me describe it. Alright, let's say I'm creating a video about the top trends in AI for 2026. And I've got my talking head footage recorded, I've got my script, and now I need to bring this thing to life. So the first thing I need is B-roll. And in this video, I'm talking about AI agents, automation workflows, new language models, AI-powered design tools, etc. So I need visuals that support these topics without being generic or cheesy. So I'm going to head over to Storyblocks and I'll search for something as simple as AI. And when we send that through, you'll see immediately there's a huge library to pull from. And what I love is how easy it is to filter by resolution, style, orientation, etc. I can find exactly what I need for my video. And let's grab a few clips here. So I'm going to pull this one of the AI graphic. And I love that when you select a piece of media to download, they give you 4 options in terms of the file type. They got 4K MOV and MP4 and HD MOV and MP4. So you have 4 different file types to fit whatever type of project you're making. And as you're selecting media, you can hover your mouse over it and get a preview, or you could even click on it to get a larger preview. But all of these look clean, they match each other visually, and that's something that I can't overstate. When your B-roll looks cohesive, your whole video feels more professional. Now, here's where it gets even better. I'm not just looking for footage, I also need music, and sound design is honestly one of the most underrated parts of video production. A good background track completely changes the feel of a video. So I'll head over to the audio section, and you can get there by hovering your mouse over stock media in the nav at the top of the screen, and from the drop down, hover your mouse over royalty-free music, and then from the side menu, select from the various categories listed. I'm going to go with inspirational, something that hopefully works for a business-focused tutorial. And then once selected, I can filter by mood, genre, tempo, etc. And then over here on the right, I can preview all the tracks right here. And you can click the play button, get a listen for it, and see if it's going to fit your mood and vibe of your video. Then, once you find one that you want to use, click the little download button there on the right-hand side, and then you can download in either WAV or MP3 format. And then here's something that's really important. The music on Storyblocks is part of an exclusive audio library, which means you can actually add your YouTube channel ID to your Storyblocks account and whitelist your channel to help prevent music claims. Just click on your profile avatar towards the top of the screen and select My Account. Then under the My YouTube Channel section, you can connect up to 2 YouTube channel IDs. Just enter them in the fields provided. But if you need to add more, you can contact support by clicking that link there at the bottom to request and add more YouTube channels. And if that isn't enough, Storyblocks has an entire dedicated YouTube claims support team that you could access here in the sidebar. And then you can fill out their dispute form where Storyblocks states that they're able to remove 95% of outstanding copyright claims in less than 72 hours. And if you've ever dealt with a copyright claim on YouTube, you know how valuable this service is. Okay, so I've got my footage and my music, but what really takes this video from pretty good to wow, that looks professional is motion graphics. So title animations, lower thirds, transitions, overlays, that stuff is what separates a basic edit from something that looks like it had a whole design team behind it. And Storyblocks has thousands of customizable templates for After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Apple Motion. So whatever you're working in, they've got you covered. And let me show you what I mean. So I'm gonna search for a title animation template and then check out these options. I can find something clean and minimal for a business video or something more dynamic if I'm going for a higher energy feel. And I'm gonna grab this one, drop it into my project, swap out the placeholder text with my own, and just like that, I have a title card that would have taken me an hour to build from scratch. And the same goes for things like logo reveals, animated overlays, and transition packs. These are the little touches that make your content stand out, and with Storyblocks, you don't have to build them yourself. Okay, now I want to talk about something that Storyblocks has been building out that I think is really useful, and I say that as someone who talks about AI all the time on their channel. So Storyblocks has integrated AI tools into the platform that are designed to speed up your workflow. But here's the key. These tools enhance real footage and real assets. They're not generating fully synthetic videos or content. That's an important distinction. For example, they have AI video editing powered by Runway, so if you find a clip that's almost perfect, but you need to customize it a little, adjust the framing, refine the look, I can do that right inside the platform. Just click the Edit with AI button, then select the part of the clip that you want to edit in the timeline, up to 5 seconds. Then in the prompt box below, describe what you want to change. And I'm going to say, change color of her shirt to light blue, and then we'll send that to the AI. And keep in mind that using AI does require credits, and for this, it costs 750 credits. But once it's done, which only took a minute or so, you'll be notified here where you can review the original in the updated video. And check that out. That is truly amazing. This opens the door to a ton of creativity and freedom in your editing. And it's about making the footage work better for my specific story, not replacing the creative process. They also have AI voiceover powered by 11 Labs. So let's say I need a quick narration for a short clip or a social media cut, and I don't want to set up my mic and record. I can create a natural sounding voiceover right here. It's fast, it sounds great, and it keeps me in a flow instead of breaking my editing session to go record something separately. Simply enter your script in the text box, then select a voice. You can also clone your own voice if you'd like, but this is a lot faster. So for the sake of time, we'll use one of the preset voices, and then click the generate button, and check this out.
So let's say I need a quick narration for a short clip or a social media cut, and I don't want to set up my mic and record. I can generate a natural sounding voiceover right there. It's fast, it sounds good, and it keeps me in flow instead of breaking my editing session to go record something separately.
The whole idea is that you stay in control of your creative process, but the tedious part gets faster. And honestly, that's what good AI tools should do. All right, I want to talk about something that most people skip over, but actually matters a lot, especially if you're using video for business, and that's licensing. So I see creators all the time who grab footage from wherever they can, and then they just throw it into their videos without thinking about the legal side. And look, maybe nothing happens, but if you're monetizing your content or doing client work, running ads, or building a brand, you need to know that the assets that you're using are actually cleared for that. So that's why everything on Storyblocks is royalty-free, pre-licensed, and ready for personal, commercial, or monetized products. That means that I can use the footage in a YouTube video to run ads, and a client deliverable, and a social media campaign, wherever. It's covered. I don't have to second guess whether some clip that I downloaded is going to cause a problem 6 months from now. And that peace of mind is honestly one of the biggest reasons I keep coming back to the platform. When you're building a business around content, licensing clarity isn't a nice to have, it's essential. So here's a stat that really put things into perspective for me. Storyblocks saves members an average of 3.5 hours a week. Think about that. 3.5 hours every single week that you're not spending searching for assets, not dealing with mismatched footage, not building graphics from scratch. Over the course of the month, that's 14 hours. Over a year, that's over 180 hours. That's time that you could spend scripting better content, growing your audience, or honestly, just not working. Time is the one resource that you can't get back, and anything that gives you more of that while improving the quality of what you produce is worth paying attention to. And if you're editing in Premiere Pro or After Effects, you can actually access the Storyblocks library directly inside those apps with the Storyblocks plugin for Adobe Creative Cloud. So now you don't even have to leave your editing software to find what you need. That's the kind of workflow integration that compounds over time. And here's the part I really want to drive home. I did all of that from one platform. I wasn't bouncing between 5 different stock sites trying to match quality levels and figure out licensing terms. It was all right here. And that's what I mean when I say Storyblocks is an essential part of the workflow. It's not just about having access to stock footage, it's about having everything that you need to tell better stories, all in one creative toolkit. So if you want to start creating more professional content with the same tools that I use, head to storyblocks.com/blog-with-Ben, and right now they're offering 15% off any annual plan for a limited time, and that discount is only available through my link, and I'll have that in the video description below. And whether you're just starting out or you've been creating content for years, Storyblocks is one of those tools that just makes everything that you produce look and feel more professional. I genuinely recommend checking it out. All right, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.